Oh, hey everybody, it's Lori Broccolini. I don't know what happened. I guess I trashed my other one. Anyways, welcome. On this page, you're going to learn about how the X39 was made and how it has helped so many people with pain, rejuvenation, being stronger, amazing stuff. I'll give you a testimonial here, and then I'll tell you about myself. Because he had a leg injury 6 years ago, he was dosing with Advil and anti-inflammatories. He used the X39 the first day. Wow, the pain is reduced. I really respond to things quickly. Day 2, his right knee pain was reduced 95%. No Advil was used. The dude, this is definitely a miracle for me. The right knee was practically 100%. Yeah. And so this is another guy. He wasn't able to walk at all. He's had a lot of problems with his pain, and now he's walking real fast. I don't know how many days. He's from Norway, and he's a karate coach, but he was injured, and he was really excited. This guy, he formulated his blood pressure. It really helped my blood pressure a lot. I used to have high blood pressure and anxiety, I can't say it, you know, where your blood pressure is high in the morning. And I used to have tachycardia. I haven't tacked since I've been on the patch, except one minor time because I had caffeine. Caffeine sends me off. And then it talks about the science, about the technology. It's amazing stuff. And you can see this guy, and he's an old man. This is before and after. I don't know how many weeks. 6 weeks. 6 weeks. Yeah. So it's amazing. So I want you to look at the test, how it's derived, how it was made. It's been in existence. It is with a direct marketing company, so you do get paid if you share it. But it's a small fee. It's not much. Just like you sharing a movie or anything else. Don't be wigged out because you're thinking it's multi-level and it's woo-woo and blah, blah. No. My girlfriend is the biggest skeptic in the world. And what's wrong? Why isn't it going? She's the biggest skeptic in the world. Her husband ripped his other shoulder rotator cuff. The doctor said he had. And I said, well, try the patches. She saw my husband on them being active, and so she decided to try them. She first bought 14 patches from me for $60. Then she bought retail at $150, and she gets 30 patches, and that comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. And he's getting results. And yesterday she signed up as bronze because it's $25 cheaper, so why not get it wholesale? And then if she's been sharing it, because she tells everybody about it, so she's going to be putting people under her because, and you don't have to worry about that because you get spillover anyway. It's a binary. But it doesn't matter. What matters is it's helping people, and it's going to help you. And it's got a 100% money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. So watch the video, how it's made, okay? I want you to watch the video on how to sign up. And the best one is bronze or silver. Silver, you get 3 packs of the X39. You get 3 packs of the X39. And what you do with that is you have 3 packs, 100% money back guarantee, and you don't have to have a $25 sign up. It's free. It's waived. So, okay, so this information's for you guys. All right? Lori Broccolini here. Bye.